In today's video, I will walk you through how to integrate WhatsApp with Shopify. To begin, navigate to the left-hand panel inside your Shopify admin interface. In the menu, locate the Apps option and click on it to continue. After selecting Apps, you will be taken to the Shopify App Store. Once the App Store loads, locate the search bar near the top of the page. Click into the search field and type WhatsApp. After entering the search term, wait for the results page to load. Review the list of applications that appears on the screen. Scroll through the available results until you locate the WhatsApp application. When you find the WhatsApp app, select it to open the application's dedicated page. After the app page opens, review the information displayed on the screen. Continue by locating the Install button. Click Install to begin adding the WhatsApp application to your Shopify store. Wait while Shopify completes the installation process. Once the installation is finished, the app will open and display the next steps required for setup. After the application opens, you will see a prompt or setup guide asking you to connect your WhatsApp account. Continue by selecting the option to connect your WhatsApp account. Use the WhatsApp account that you use for business purposes when completing this connection process. Follow the instructions shown on the screen by the application. Depending on your account configuration, the app may ask you to log in to your WhatsApp account or complete the connection using a QR code. If a QR code is displayed, follow the instructions provided on the screen to complete the connection. If the application requests account login details, continue through the login process as instructed by the app. Wait for the connection process to finish. Once the app confirms that the connection has been completed successfully, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your Shopify store. Review any confirmation messages displayed by the application to ensure the connection was completed correctly. If additional setup prompts appear after the connection is completed, continue following the instructions displayed by the app until the setup process is finished. After the setup process is complete, return to the app dashboard if needed and confirm that your WhatsApp account appears as connected. At this point, the integration process is complete. The WhatsApp application has been installed and connected to your Shopify store. The process consists of opening the Apps section, searching for WhatsApp application, installing it, connecting your business WhatsApp account, and completing the connection instructions provided by the app. And that is how to integrate WhatsApp with Shopify. Thank you for watching.